What if I told you that in just few seconds, you could create a professional storybook with pictures on one page and text on the other, completely for free? Yes, you heard me right. No more paying hundreds of dollars for expensive tools and softwares. No more using 4 different softwares or platform to generate your stories and bring them to life. With this brand new update, all you need is just a single prompt and you would have a ready to read storybook with corresponding consistent images to go alongside. Get the AI to read the story out loud and even print or share your book link at no cost at all. I mean, 100% free. This is a game changer for writers, storytellers, parents, teachers, and content creators who want to bring their ideas to life without breaking the bank. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to create your own storybook in few minutes. So stick with me because this is something you don't want to miss out. Come to Google and type in Gemini and click on the very first option you have. Log in with your Gmail, of course. Come to the menu bar at the left hand side. Click on it and you should definitely find this particular icon here called Storybook. And if you cannot find it, just click on Explore Gems and you would definitely find it right here. Since I already have the Storybook button, I'm just going to click on Storybook and it brings us to this user interface. And as you can see, we have some story ideas here that you can actually explore in case you don't have any story idea of your own. But to get your own specific results, I would advise you to paste in your scripts right here. Just a little idea of what your story should look like and your character. So here is what I wrote. Write me a motivational story on how to defeat fear and shyness forever. The name of the main character, Lily, a teenager with red hair. And the story should be written by Zara Studios. So I want it to add Zara Studios as the name of the author. So you can add your own name as the name of the author. Once that is done, click on the enter button right here and we'll wait for our story to get ready. Guys, this literally happened in seconds. I kid you not, in seconds. So let's wait. Guys, our story is ready. I am shocked. And as you can see here, my name is right here, Zara Studios. And the name of my character is right here. And as you can see, our hair is red. Just tap on the book right here and it will open up the book. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Keep tapping and it keeps opening up the next page for you. And guys, the character consistency is wild. Only paid AI tools, I mean highly paid AI platforms, will give you this. My main character is consistent and the image of our friend is also consistent, and this is 10 pages right here. If you wanted to generate a longer story for you, all you have to do is specify what you want, how you want it, and the number of pages you want. And like I told you in the intro of this video, you can actually listen to your story. So now let's play the story and listen to it.
Lily and the Soaring Voice. Lily, a teenager with fiery red hair, often felt like a quiet whisper in a loud world. Her shyness wrapped around her like a cozy, yet confining, blanket. She loved to read and dream, but the thought of speaking in front of others made her heart thump like a drum solo. One day, a vibrant poster appeared.
I am definitely going to play the rest of the story for you at the end of this video. But guys, this is fantastic. It is super amazing. I cannot believe that this is happening. If you're getting value from this video, kindly type value in the comment section and keep watching, because at the end of this video, I will share with you ways by which you can make money with this skill, and I'm sure you don't want to miss that. The super amazing thing about this platform is you can click here to print this book. If you have a printer in your house, all you have to do is connect your printer to your device and hit the print button easily and effortlessly. And you can also click here, right here, to generate and copy the link of this story. And once you share this link with anybody, anywhere, any day, anytime, they will be able to access this story, either to read it or to listen to it. Isn't that mind blowing? You can further come to this particular place here, click on the arrow right beside that listen button, and you can tweak the audio of this story. You can either make it a high pitch, a low pitch, you can allow it start from the beginning, and you can listen to it in a full screen mode. How amazing is that? And guys, any story you create will always be here for you. This is the story we just created few seconds ago, and this was the story I created while testing out this platform. Let's look at it together. This is actually a beautiful story about discipline, and this contains about 12 pages. Just like the other one, as you can see, I already added my name to it, and this is the title, and this is the cover of the book, all generated with this AI in few seconds without me having to lift a finger. All I did was just give it a tiny little prompt and it went ahead and performed its magic. Now let's look at this story together. I'm going to open it in a full screen and I'll just tap here, just tap anywhere here, and it will open the next cover. And as you can see, this is beautiful. Take note of the fact that the image is consistent. The image is consistent, guys. I am so happy about this new development with Gemini. Once you get to the end of the storybook, you can just hit start over and it takes you right back to the beginning. And just as I said earlier, you can click on this particular button right here, which is the listen button, to listen to the story
Clover's
again.
Garden of Discipline. In a cozy burrow lived a young rabbit named Clover. She dreamed of growing the most magnificent garden in all of Sunny Meadow. She imagined rows of juicy carrots, plump tomatoes.
This is super amazing and I cannot wait to see the magic you're going to be creating with this. Tell me the title of the first story you're going to be testing out on this platform right in the comment section. And that is it. You can actually not download this story as a PDF, but you can print it and you can also share the link. Maybe we'll be able to download it as a PDF when this platform gets another update or another upgrade. But for now, you cannot download it as a PDF, but you can share it and you can print it out and you can also listen to it right here on this platform. I didn't forget my promise. Here are 2 amazing ways to make money from this skill. Number 1, create these storybooks and sell them on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or your own personalized website. The second way is for you to start a storytelling YouTube channel by screen recording the story with the audio playing, add some little editing, and post it here on YouTube or other social media platform, get monetized and get paid in dollars every single month. I'm sure you got value from this video, so why not like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notification so you don't miss my next AI tool breakdown. I would also love to hear from you in the comments. If you have any questions, please drop it and let me know. Would you use Gemini to create children's storybooks, short novels, or maybe even digital products to sell? Drop your ideas below. I reply to every single comment. And before you go, check out some of my previous videos where I review even more free AI tools that can help you create faster, smarter, and better. You won't be disappointed. Till I come your way next time, I remain your girl Zara. I'll see you in my next video.
Lily and the Soaring Voice. Lily, a teenager with fiery red hair, often felt like a quiet whisper in a loud world. Her shyness wrapped around her like a cozy, yet confining, blanket. She loved to read and dream, but the thought of speaking in front of others made her heart thump like a drum solo. One day, a vibrant poster appeared in the school hallway. Annual talent show. Sign up now. Lily's eyes, usually downcast, secretly sparkled. She had a beautiful singing voice, one she only shared with her reflection in the mirror. The thought of performing, though, sent a shiver of fear down her spine. That evening, Lily stood in her room, a hairbrush her makeshift microphone. She sang her favorite song, her voice filling the space with melody and emotion. For a few moments, the fear vanished, replaced by pure joy. But as soon as she stopped, the familiar doubt crept back in. Her best friend, Maya, noticed Lily's lingering gaze at the talent show poster. "You should totally sign up, Lily. Your voice is amazing," Maya exclaimed, her enthusiasm a bright contrast to Lily's quiet nature. Lily just shook her head, a blush creeping up her neck. "Oh, I could never," she mumbled, quickly walking away. The next day, Maya found Lily practicing a quiet hum in the music room, thinking she was alone. "See? You've got this," Maya whispered, startling Lily. "Just try singing for me, no pressure, just us." Lily hesitated, her heart pounding, but Maya's kind smile was reassuring. With a deep breath, Lily sang a verse. Her voice was soft at first, then grew stronger, filling the room with its gentle power. Maya clapped enthusiastically. "That was incredible, Lily. You just defeated a little bit of fear right there." Maya encouraged Lily to practice performing for just one person each day. A family member, a pet, even a favorite plant. Each small performance chipped away at the wall of shyness, replacing it with tiny bricks of confidence. It wasn't easy, and some days were harder than others. The sign-up deadline for the talent show loomed. Lily still felt a knot of fear in her stomach, but it wasn't as tight as before. She remembered Maya's words. "Every step, no matter how small, is a victory." She walked to the sign-up sheet, her hand trembling slightly. With a final surge of courage, she wrote her name, Lily. A wave of relief, mixed with a thrill of terror, washed over her. She had done it. She had taken the first, terrifying step towards facing her fear head-on. The night of the talent show arrived. Lily stood backstage, her heart doing its drum solo again. But this time, she remembered all her small victories. She walked onto the stage, took a deep breath, and began to sing. Her voice, once a whisper, now soared, a testament to the courage she had found within. She hadn't defeated fear forever, but she had learned to dance with it, and that was a victory worth celebrating.